Okay, use your flashlight.
Left or right?
Right.
Go to the safe zone. Safe zone. Okay.
That's the left, bruh.
Cow. So we don't use our light as well, right?
Hindi. I don't know. Oh no, what the freak? Ano yun?
May something, may pink.
Oh no.
What
A
happened?
equals 6. A
A-
equals 6.
A equals
Screenshot of
6. Just type it in the chat. Yo. Chat is free, bruh.
A equals 6.
Oh shit!
What is that?
Oh no!
GG's.
Oh! Yo! Yo, kayo yung nakikita ko. Kayo yung nakikita ko. Hinahabol niyo ako. 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 Ah! Oh my days, bro.
It's me, bro.
Oh my days. Hey.
Yo,
Uh,
hello, look behind you. At Lucas, ikaw ba yan? Look, tingin ka sa akin.
Nakay Janry ako, bro. Ay.
Okay, may naririnig ang footstep, bro. Yo, oh my days. I'm peeing.
Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Ayun,
Nakita ko na yung elevator eh, pero 0 out of 4.
0 out of 4. Hindi may
Find
codes.
out. Use the flash.
Yo, hello, nasan kayo? Yo!
Yo. Don't split up, man.
Nasan kayo?
Yo, Lucas, Talon, if that's you, jump.
Yo, nasaan kayo?
Lucas! That's not you!
I'm lost.
Yeah!
Okay, nakuha ko yung isa.
Namatay
One
na naman
out of
ako,
four.
Lucas. You're pranking me.
Nasaan kayo?
1 out of 4.
Oh, yo! It's me!
Pwede sila mag-double spawn.
1 out
Yo,
of 4.
nasaan
1 out of
kayo?
4.
Nasaan kayo, please?
Luis?
Please.
Luis, ikaw yan?
Please.
Talon ka,
No,
bra.
that's not me, man. That's not me, bro.
No.
Luis, ikaw to?
May dalawang Lucas sa room na to. May
Ako yan,
dalawang
ako yan.
Lucas sa room
Tumatalon
na to.
ka.
Wow,
I'm
ikaw ba yan? Ikaw ba yan? Jumping two.
Oh my days.
You're right. 4 out of 4.
Dito.
Let's go.
Elevator.
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 Good. Yo.
Elevator. Asan na?
Elevator.
Yo, don't get lost. At everyone, don't get lost.
let's
Balik.
find the
Tama to.
elevator.
Balik tayo. Mali. Diretso lang. Ay,
Ito,
ay.
what?
What? Jolly's been here.
Elevator?
She's been
Mali,
here.
Ay, nakita ko
mali.
na elevator. I'm
Oh, I
going
see
there.
this guy.
Oh! Yo!
Sino matatawa?
Hinahabol ako! Yo! Preset, bro! Hinahabol ako! May flat armor kasi ako. So may
Oh,
character.
fudge.
You're
You're
safe.
safe here. Yeah, sure. We believe you.
Think.
Alex.
Things. Ano yun? Cozy Amic.
Backrooms ba to? This ain't the backroom. At things, you put it here. Ito, interact to.
Things.
Put things, bro.
Ito, things.
Ito may things. Nasa loob ng thing. Hello? Ano to? May drink sa loob ng thing. I mean yung thing. Yo.
Yo.
Calm down.
Isa pa kailangan natin. Ilalagay nyo
Ayun,
dito.
oh.
Dito.
Ayun o. May thing nga.
Kaya nga, ilalagay mo dyan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I've been trying to say all along.
Tatlo na.
Isa pa.
Excuse.
Excuse you.
Okay.
Hey, who? Excuse
That
me.
was easy. That was easy.
Yo, ano yun?
Chill out, bro. Wala nangyari.
I'm freaking sick, bruh.
Yung nakailang streams na ako ng bawat pyesa.
Okay.
It's all good, bro. I freaking love you, bro. You want? I can play it live for you, bro. No. Give you the soul gut wrenching version.
Please, no, bro. Please.
No, please.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay, bro.
Okay.
It's cold here.
It's cold here.
It's cold here.
So pack it up, gang.
Let me out. Yo. I don't
Where
want to let
fault?
you out. I'm in here. Yo, let me out.
You left or right, Lucas?
Left.
My
Right.
left. Let me out. Left or right, Lucas?
Right.
Where? Let me out.
Yo, Damas.
Yo, calm down. Ibero Lucas is coming back. I'm
I'm gonna
lost.
get lost, aren't I? Okay.
Okay, may long tunnel. Hello. Long
Where is this
tunnel.
guy? Ito.
Ito, si Janry, ito.
That's not
I see the guy. Sure.
That's not me. Hindi nga ako yan. Okay, ako yan.
Ayan. Stupid.
Janry, where are you, bro?
Left or right?
Right.
Do not turn right at the crossroad.
Eh, right, pabalik lang yan eh. Yo, common maze knowledge, bro.
Yung nakasarado nga eh.
Ano yun?
What are those?
What are those?
What are those?
What are
Yo,
those?
It's the meme.
Yo,
That's my dog. That's not my dog.
I'm
Ang
doing the blowing, the
Wala
baby
yan.
blowing ash thing.
That's my
Oh,
dog.
Uy,
That's not my
elevator.
dog.
Okay, we got a lullaby. Hey, my dog. That's my dog. That's not my dog.
Okay.
No, nawasa si Luis.
Oh.
Wala si Luis.
Oh,
Yes,
Oh.
Luis.
Luis? Yo, you scared me there for a sec, bro. Yo, I freaking love you, Luis.
Now I'm at a school? Man, what even is this place? Wait.
Yo, ano to?
Everyone stop for a moment. Stop moving.
Yo, chill out, bro.
I swear I heard something, bro. I swear I heard something kanina.
Ba't may ano dun, red something?
Don't move.
Don't
Oo nga,
Oh
move.
shit,
Why?
don't fucking move, man!
Bakit?
Oh my god, don't move!
Ano yan? Ano yan?
What is that?
Ano yan?
Don't
Ano yan?
move!
Ano yan? Ano
I
yan?
don't know! Don't move!
Yo,
Baka ganun. Hindi mag-move pag wala siya.
What's the time? Whoa!
Oh!
Yo, I love how no one's talking, bro.
Kaya nga eh. Oy,
Wait. Whoa. Wait!
wala.
Chill out, bro.
May umaapak ko. Did you not hear that?
No.
Whoa.
Ano yun? Ba't ang ingay?
Swimming pool.
All the rooms.
Chainsaw man scene. Ten.
I'll give you everything.
Something's off.
Something tells me this isn't reality.
Bawal tayo dyan.
Huh? Yo. The director. Ay, wait lang. The director. Okay.
Pasok ka na. Yung green screen room
Yo, hindi nagsasara yung elevator. Oh my days. Yung chair gumagalaw papunta sa akin. Oh, okay.
Shut the hell up, bro.
Yo, ipapost pa yung ano ah. Saan mo in-upload? YouTube?
YouTube.
Yo, send the channel. Wait,
Send
we're in a
YouTube.
flashback. Uy, flashback to.
Yeah, sure.
Paano mo alam?
Yo, bro, we get it.
Ano mo alam?
Hindi
Paano
ako
ko alam? It's
makasprint.
the
Hindi ako
lighting, bro.
Hindi ako makasprint.
Yo, you don't know films, yeah? Yo, why is there a chair in the window?
Huh?
Oh, katok.
I break it down. Yo, I'm so strong, bro. Okay.
Yo, this game is kinda fun.
Yo,
Thanks.
Lucas, pag nasa loob mo ako, nakikita ko yung dila mo.
What?
Yo!
What?
Oh.
Ano sa loob?
Ay, no, na mo. Oh my
Yo.
days, yung dila mo, kita ko.
Alright, chill.
Okay, let's split up.
2
Whoa!
out of 5.
Oh my god! It's a fake! Johnny's chasing me! Help! Please help! Oh na, gumagapang si Johnny, bro. That ain't Johnny, gang.
Yo, that's actually me, bro.
Huh?
Trans, freaking guy.
What the hell? But
Ow! Hindi ito si Luis! Hindi si Luis to! Oh na, dalawa na sila na sa akin. Luis, ikaw ba yan? Tinalikod ka nga.
Yeah. Ho!
Yo, I got
Siya yan!
three.
John yan!
Three na.
Alright, this is the
five.
real Johnny. Yo, don't split up. Don't split up.
Yo, it's funner. It's more fun.
Run away.
Oh my
Oh my
days!
god. Oh my god.
Ikaw yan?
It's Luis 299 is chasing me. Lucas, ikaw to? Gagi.
Okay. Ay, si Jadri! Oh my days!
Si John! Si
Ayun.
Luis!
Ay, Luis! Luis! Yo, what's up, bro?
That was fun camping!
Oh,
Yo, I'm the
Putak pa sila!
GOAT!
Yo!
I'm the GOAT. GOAT.
Stupid! Bro,
GOAT.
bro, you scared the heck. Hello? Hello? Nasa way, Luis!
Yeah,
Luis?
easy.
Di, nasa Luis.
Kasama kami,
Hello,
kasama kami.
Okay, eto si Luis, oh.
Ay,
Nasa back ko, bro.
Nasaan yung isa?
Sinabal tayo ni Luis. Jadri. He's behind you, Jadri.
Oh my days!
Oh, sino yun? Sino yun?
Jadri. Real yan.
Si Lucas nandun.
Exit!
Exit.
Jump!
Easy.
Oh!
We both tried the same thing.
Nag-jump ka rin sa rails.
Please, just let this be the real exit, man.
Ayun, hindi pala ako hinahabol. Okay.
You stupid.
Si
Hello?
Rex, yung pangalan ko dun eh. Hello?
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 Hello? Hello?
Sir Janip.
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Ah,
Hello? Do you know that? Ay, hindi pala. Alam mo yung... I don't think I'm
Hello?
alone here.
hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello? Okay.
I fell from a high place. If I fell from a high place, nobody in the real world would know. Yo, Lucas, calm down, bro. We love you, bro.
Yeah, I'ma do that.
Don't! Don't.
You're not safe.
Okay.
Oh no, the music.
Freak. Oh, freak.
Yeah, according to data analysts, music is a very big indicator. Oh
Please
my
get me
god.
out of here. Yo, what's up?
Please. Just get me out of here.
Walang just yun ah. Yo!
Yeah, it's
Hello, bro.
adding context, bro.
Hello. So, kay Luis pala yung dila na yun. Okay, let me get inside you again. Ayun oh.
Alright.
Ba't ka may dila, bro? Akala ko nonchalant ka lang, bro.
Uy, there's something.
Yeah,
It's a milkman.
yeah,
It's a
yeah.
milkman.
What's that? What's that? What's
Let's
that?
approach it. Let's approach
Ano
it.
yan?
Yeah.
Ano yan?
3v1.
Yeah, I don't know about this, bro.
Tingin nga
Yung
kayo.
galaw yan,
Alis
online
kayo ng
live.
tingin. Alis kayo ng tingin.
It's not an angel.
Hindi
Okay.
siya weeping angel.
Whoa! It's a dummy.
Yo, let me farm ult.
1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Curse strike.
Alright.
Black flash.
Yeah, let's leave this guy alone, bro.
Ay, yung mga light switch.
Me on nickel light switch.
Yo, W.
Charlie put.
How did you just make me want you? Turn me on like a light.
Ay.
Bro's deciding to creep
Oh,
up.
bawal mag-flashlight. Bro's doing Morse code.
My flashlight doesn't seem to be working.
Nakalaki
Pinakinggan
yung
ko ba yung mga
chats.
sinend ko?
Nakalock yung chats, bro.
Sa'yo lang kasi you're too
Ayun
young.
lang.
Ito.
Kaya nga.
Oh my days, please no, please, yung flashlight ko.
Well, this is about to get difficult.
Oh, wag tayo mag-split up, bro.
Oh my god! It fell
Ano,
over on the left.
Ano yun? Ikaw
Dummy.
naman yung nag-split.
Hoy,
Oo.
hoy, hoy.
Uy, gumagalaw siya.
Oh!
Weeping angel.
Wait, still, yo. Wait, just, wait now.
Weeping angel.
Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Walang
Ha?
tatalikod.
Nope.
Lucas, you're the goat, bruh.
Ano to?
Whoa,
Ba't
whoa.
meron dito?
Looks
I
like
don't
we're
know.
not getting out of here.
Oh no.
Sino
ano
ang anak
yan?
ng door? Ikaw ba yan, Lucas?
Ha?
Ikaw ba ang anak ng elevator?
Ano yan?
Oh.
Yeah,
Ano
Lucas, you're
lahat
the goat,
to?
man. Yo,
I
I don't know, man.
Stop asking questions.
Ano to? Bakit ano pataas yung elevator bro? 7, 8, 9, 10,
Saan?
12, 13. Ayo, it's
Wala to dati ah.
ang bilis.
Wow.
Oh.
Something.
Oy, what?
Switch it bro,
Pull the switch!
Switch, please.
Yo, who is that?
What happened?
Na, we're back. Anong nangyari?
Oh, we died. We failed.
Yo, how?
Totoo.
Yata. Maybe.
Ikaw sa likod, ako ako dito, ako on this side.
Ako dito.
Alright. Let's
Okay,
go.
starting. 2, 3.
Tig-anim tayo, tig-anim.
Pang 11.
What?
Let's go. Gamers, unite.
Alright.
Ayan daw, sa corniest thing ever.
John, you get the left. I get the right. And Lucas, you just be Lucas.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay.
Baka mangyari ulit. Yo, stand on guard.
You get ready.
Stand on guard, citizen.
What's going on? Okay, we're good. We're not.
No, we're not. We're not.
No.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, stand on guard. Lucas,
Why are you looking
you get
at
the
me,
right. I get the front.
What do you mean, bro? What do you mean?
Johnny.
Why are you looking at me, bro?
Ikaw yun eh.
Yup, I saw you, bro. Yup.
What?
Yup.
Ah! Oh!
You lock in.
Okay, I'm done. Yo, why are you looking at me, bro?
No, I'm not.
56.
Yeah, this is like a elevator in Taiwan, bro.
Do we get it?
Okay, I'm done. Lucas! Oh my days! You almost
Lucas, if you die, it's on your part.
Chill.
Oh my days, bro.
Lucas, we're dead.
Yo, we almost got graped by the monster, bro.
Sorry, man.
Okay. Ito
Well,
na
everyone.
naman.
Hold your guards.
Your friend Critics has joined the experience.
Johnny, you take the left. Lucas, you take the right.
Okay, we
I'll take
get
the middle.
it, bro.
Bro's not the group leader. Uy!
Question mark yung level.
Flashlight!
Yo, it's this again.
Ba't ganito yung ano, yung aura, yung effect?
Oh no.
sabi?
Magtatago tayo for something.
Oh my days! Ayoko nito.
Hello?
Ayun ba yun?
Oo. Holy.
Oh,
It's chasing.
it's chasing us.
Yo! Locker!
Hello, locker?
Wala namang locker ah.
What
Whoa.
the hell? Ano mangyayari?
Hinabol tayo.
Chasing.
Please.
Oh, hit, bro!
Oh my days!
Here we go, bro. Stop breathing, bro.
Bro, kung nakikita niyo yung nakikita ko, holy, oh. Okay, it got me. I'm so freaking scared.
It ain't that deep, bro.
Bro. Kasi may naririnig akong like, oh my days, ba? Okay. Lucas, hello, what are you doing there? Excuse.
Yeah, you're excused.
Damn.
Excuse.
Ba?
What the hell?
Room.
Okay,
Sorry.
place it. Bro! What the hell?
Yeah, why'd you become Indian for a moment?
Nakatil.
Uy, ba't tilted yung...
Yo, Lucas!
I'm
Ano?
Yo, January! You big back, January!
With this fat ass, bro. Okay, welcome back.
Welcome back?
Welcome back.
Pack it up. Yo, stop slurping me up.
Yo, I wanna slurp you up, bro. that
weird.
out, cut that out.
Clip that. Chat, clip that chat.
Yo, Nvidia, clip that.
Si Luis kasi.
Just don't talk to me.
Uy!
Oh!
Okay. Hindi.
You stupid.
Okay.
Ah.
Hinabol niya nga tayo.
Wow.
Ba't ang tagal?
Wow.
Dito na to kalong.
Left. Focus. Everyone lock in. I got this. I'm the group leader.
Hey.
Yeah, sinusundan lang kita, bro.
What the hell? Pinaspectate ko yung monster.
Namatay ka?
Oo.
Whoa, where do we go? Oh!
Sa likod nyo.
Where do we go?
Right.
Janry!
Straight.
Oh my god, bro.
Nagawa mo?
Uy,
Yeah.
I see the
Okay,
stars.
Look at the stars.
Okay,
Yo.
episode 2.
Bro got
I
flash.
can't read.
Sure.
Yo, I walked so you could run.
You crawl.
Sure.
Johnny just crawled, bro.
Ulol, bro.
So they're in the real world. What the
Ano to?
hell happened here?
Uy, I'm Cracks. Hello, Demon. Saka ano.
Usog.
Oh shit, okay.
Yo, that's cool. Okay.
He sees us, kaya may ganito. Eto yun oh, pinakakita niya tayo.
Hindi,
Kapag
bro.
may eyes na ganyan, kita niya tayo, bro. He's observing us.
Oh, it's black. All I see is black.
Nasa
Ay,
wall
ayun.
ka eh.
Ayun.
Oh
Chill,
my
chill.
days.
Chill, bro. Chill out.
Yo, keep that in.
Yo, I got one. Meron nandito.
Yo, he's attracted to noise! Yo, may fake! Sino to?
Yo, chill out. It's me.
What the freak? We're doing laps.
Hello.
Ay,
Freak na.
Okay.
Johnny, you freaking man.
Alright. Janry, what's wrong with you?
Hindi ko alam na nandun kayo.
What happened? Yo, why are you moaning?
Kaya nga.
Hindi ako yun.
Hindi, yung monster kasi.
Eto, Johnny! Yan oh, nandyan yung monster. Run away, man!
Days. Eto, Janry, bro. Malamang akala ko nandun yung way, bro.
Can't find shit.
Ako rin eh. What is this guy
Yeah,
saying?
because you guys are pods. Let me cook. Just bait the monster out for me, alright? All you gotta do.
Nasaan ba yung monster?
I don't know, man. Your job.
Yo, I'm
Alright.
faking him out, bro. Yo, monster, come on.
6'7".
18-year-old by the way.
Come on,
6'7" na lang,
monster.
6'7".
Hello, monster.
Alright, I got it. Everyone say thank you, Luis. It's the back room.
Back rooms. Ito, elevator.
Oh my freaking days.
Ay, wala namang content. It's okay.
Only people in similar age group can chat with you.
What the hell? Yo, keep that in.
Another jump.
Ito ba?
Oh my days.
Yo,
I hate that funny. Oh my days. Oh my god.
Guys, so bad!
okay, I'm gonna take it slow. Oh my days.
Lucas, manorin mo siya.
I'm moving. Ha?
Alright. Alright!
Hindi na makakabalik. Hindi na makakabalik.
Oh my days!
Yeah, let's jump.
I'm gonna kill you, bro. Please, let me go! Let me go!
Yo, that's
Dito.
killing me, bro. My stomach hurts.
Shut the hell up. I'm cutting that out. I'm cutting that out.
No.
Nagka-pump ako dun, bro. Nagka-ab pump ako dun, bro.
Okay, okay.
Ay, nakita ko kayo. Easy.
Okay.
Oh.
Yo, Lucas fell.
We see
No,
you,
I
Johnny.
didn't.
Do it.
God. Oh my God. Alright.
Aray ko! Sakit
Alright.
ang dami ka!
Ah!
Yes!
Pati sino ka tulog?
Yo, this is killing me, bro. Nautot ako, bro.
Let it out, bro. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Let it rip. Let it rip. Let it rip. Let it rip.
3,
Yo,
2,
pack it
1,
up,
go
bro.
shoot! Go Pegasus!
Okay, chill out. Wow. Easter egg lang yan, bro. Chill out, chill out. Oh, karinig mo yun? Saan yun?
Holy! Buntikan ka, madakip Lucas!
Ilan na lang.
Tatlo.
I got another one.
Holy! Lucas got, bro.
Hey. A good game, bro.
GG's!
Ah, sa chase scene. Oh.
Oh shoot, never mind.
Yo, that's not the end. That's not the end.
This is
bro.
the end.
Grass is
Oh,
green,
it is the
nothing.
end.
Hello? Naglo-load ba ako? Oh,
Oh.
wala talaga akong makita. Oh no, I don't like this, bruh.
It's
Yo,
a
where's
freaking
Shibuya?
chase scene.
The director is coming. I need to move quickly.
Bye-bye.
Yo.
Bye-bye, bruh. Bye-bye siya sa amin, bro.
Sino yung director?
You stupid.
Gonna freestyle it. Yeah. Genre on the beat, yeah. Yeah.
There's not fucking, bro. There is no beat whatsoever.
Yo, thanks.
Yo, ano ulit YouTube channel mo, Luke? Ano, Johnny?
Yo, shout out Ivan.
Johnny, what's your YouTube channel, bro?
Shout out Stephen G.
I'm Critics. I'm searching up.
Special thanks to Apollo, Maelstrom, Korn, Tuna, Citizen Games, Bookster, TV, Stephen G, Local Cashier, Go, Norby05, Bugimus.
Yo, thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you for everything. Yo, Luis Fernandez mention.
Welcome.
Yo, you're welcome.
Okay, stop copying my lingo. Welcome, trademark.
Thank you, trademark.
TY, trademark.
Alright.
Trademark.
Okay.
Alright.
You know what they say? If you can't have McDonald's, you can have Jollibee.
Oh. And credits.
Damn.
DSLR.
Eh.
Shh, yo, quiet down.